Hi, you want to add the featured section on your homepage, or you want to display all of your other channels into your homepage? This video only for you. So keep watch this full video, otherwise you miss some important steps. I am not add any sections on my channel. I'll show you. This is my testing channel, like creating tutorial purposes. I have started this channel. So my channel's homepage not having any sections. For adding a section, go to YouTube Studio first. And click the customization tab. And you see here featured sections. And click the add section and go to last one, featured channels. Now you name it your section title. I am naming it as my other channels, and search the channel, which channel you want to add. I am adding my channel Earning Campus, and click the tick box. Okay, now the channel was selected. Then click done. Without done, it's not working. Then after that, must click the publish button. It's appear on the right side corner, because without publish the option is not working, so don't forget to publish. Then we check. It takes some time to reflect on your channel. Now we recheck that. Yes, now the featured section is successfully added. So I think this video is very helpful to you. So don't forget to like this video and comment below what are the topics you want to know. And also share this video to new YouTubers to help them, and subscribe the channel now